Bonjour à tous. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the French Made Easy podcast. This is episode number 180, numéro 180. In today's episode, we are continuing our listen and repeat pronunciation series. And this time we are focusing on the French vowel sound. Eh. That is the sound that you hear in words like la mer or la tête. So here how it's going to work. I will say some French words and sentences where the eh sound appears, and your job is pretty simple. You just listen carefully and you repeat after me. This listen and repeat technique helps you train your ear and build muscle memory so you can improve your pronunciation and eventually feel more confident when you are speaking French. Now, to help you follow along, make sure you download your free cheat sheet. It includes all the sentences and English translation as well. And if you love this kind of practice, don't miss the full listen and repeat guide. It is packed with all the French sounds and lots of sentences to help you keep your pronunciation sharp. You'll find all the links in the episode notes. All right, so let's start with a few French words that contain the eh sound. Repeat after me. La mer, la mer, la fenêtre, la fenêtre, la crêpe, la crêpe, la tête, la tête, la veste, la veste. All right, are you ready to go? Let's practice with full sentences. Repeat after me. Ma mère essaie une nouvelle recette. My mom is trying a new recipe. Ma mère essaie une nouvelle recette. Cette fenêtre est ouverte. This window is open. Cette fenêtre est ouverte. On fait des crêpes pour la fête. We are making crêpes for the party. On fait des crêpes pour la fête. J'ai très mal à la tête. I have a really bad headache. J'ai très mal à la tête. J'achète une veste verte. I'm buying a green jacket. J'achète une veste verte. Great. Now, if any of those sentences felt a little bit tricky, feel free to go back and replay them and just keep repeating. Repetition is really the key to improving your pronunciation. And if you enjoyed this episode, you'll love my listen and repeat guide. It is a full resource with every French sound and tons more sentences to help you build strong pronunciation habits. You'll find all the links you need in the episode notes. Merci beaucoup for practicing with me today. Keep up the work and I'll see you in the next episode. À bientôt. Bye. Now, before you go, if you are just starting your French grammar journey and you are not sure where to begin, I've created something just for you. It is called the French Grammar Essentials Checklist for Beginners, and it will help you keep track of what you already learned, what you need to focus on next, and how to stay organized as you go. You can download the checklist from the show notes. It is completely free. Go grab it and I'll see you in the next episode. À bientôt. Bye.